Hey YouTube, A Maker's Journey. What we're going to be doing today is I'm going to be showing you how I trim off a piece of material if you have excess material from a job. So let me show you how to do it. Alright, so this part's about to get ready to be finished up here. The next thing I'm going to do is show you how to trim a piece of material in there, because I only use so much material for this job and there's a little bit left over that I can use for another job. Alright, so the machine is stopped. I come over to my control here. This is the next job. It always transfers you to the next job. Let me see if I can get you up higher. I'm gonna hold you in my hand this time. Alright, so one of the things we're gonna do is go to setup. And we're gonna go to machine functions. And down here is a trim off. You wanna go there. We're going to select the last program there we're using for gases and material thicknesses. We're going to hit next. Starting position and end position, we're going to leave that alone. And now what we're going to do, when we're in this mode, we can move the head back and forth with these keys right here. I'm going to see if I can get this in the frame. See how the head moves? So that's what we're going to do to get our crosshairs to line up to where we can trim the piece. And hopefully you can see this. There's the crosshairs back there. Very hard to see, but I can see them. And you basically just line those up. We're going to trim this right off. And I'm looking to where that little crosshair line just disappears right there. And that's where I want the end of it to go. You can do this in reverse. You can start down below. It doesn't really matter. I know which direction I'm going to go in. So I'm going to hit that. Then I'm going to bring that head down. Hopefully you can see the crosshairs. A little hard to see there. And I do that too till it just disappears. That one, there it goes. Just make that out. Hopefully we can catch it on camera. Now you can just kind of make it out. Anyway, and then I'm going to enter my start point. So I kind of did this in reverse, but you can do it either way. You can start down below at the bottom, go to trim off start position. I just kind of did it in reverse because it was already out there. Hopefully that's not confusing. If it is, I'll remake another video. And then I hit next. You do not hit finish. At this point, this is where you want to hit start at. And I'm going to stand over here. Here's the start button. I'm going to hit this. And I'm going to have my finger near the pause button just to be on the safe side. There it is. Now you can basically go ahead and hit finish at this point. It's going to bring you back to this window. We're going to go back to run. Everything stays normal. Now to pull the table out, we're going to go to setup again, hit table changer, and I'm going to pull out table A. Because remember, I have this in manual from the last program. There is a reset button here that if you break the laser field, you want to reset that. At that point, you can go ahead and hit start. There is our separated piece. Sometimes if you don't get the crosshairs just right, it may leave a little tab on there. You may have to break or cut off. I hope that helps. That's how I trim off the material with this machine. It just comes in handy. So that's it. Later.